Load up on Bitcoin right now. Like, seriously, stop watching the video and go load up on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's about to hit $61,000, and we're anticipating we're going to see Bitcoin hit $100,000 very, very soon. Don't believe me? Watch the end of the video and then make your educated decision if you think Bitcoin is going to the moon. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Umar Khan, and today we're talking about none other than the most important cryptocurrency, that being Bitcoin, currently trading at $60,497. It is down nearly 2% on the week, and I think a phenomenal buying opportunity as some crazy things are happening that are going to speed things up for Bitcoin. We see currently fear and greed index is at 55 neutral, slowly creeping back towards the greed. And guys, when we have a crazy green candle week, Bitcoin's going to absolutely pump it definitely back to 70,000 and hopefully to a new price target of $100,000. We even see on CoinMarketCap some top articles. Breaking news: Russia President Vladimir Putin signs a law legalizing cryptocurrency mining in Russia. It's absolutely bullish. Putin wants crypto in Russia. Trump wants crypto in America. This is going to be the time that Bitcoin and crypto across the board is going to go absolutely ballistic. And let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on. So first and foremost, we can see Bitcoin is trending right now at number one, up about 4% in the past 30 days, $1.1 trillion market cap, which is absolutely no joke. Charts are starting to look beautiful again, looking very volatile in 24 hours. We go to the 1 week and we see a swift recovery. We saw Bitcoin dump to about $50,000, literally a crazy shakeout. So much people lost money because they thought it was going to go to zero. Idiots, and they lost money. It was a great shakeout, which is good. We need a shakeout like this because it kind of drives out the weaker hands, right? And then people start buying up again, loading up, bringing it back to $60,000 position. We go to 1 month. At 1 month ago, we we're almost about to break $70,000 again. We go to 1 year, guys, and we can see earlier this year we did break 70,000 at one point, peaking at $73,000, and that is a milestone that we are going to break very, very soon. We see institutions continue to buy while weak hands part with Bitcoin. Japanese public company MetaPlanet secured a 1 billion yen loan this week to buy more Bitcoin. Listen, guys, the whales are buying Bitcoin. It's time we load up too. Time for the small guys to have some money as well. I have a whole bunch of tweets that we're going to gather together showing how strong Bitcoin is looking. So first of all, we can see Bitcoin is doing all the right things, confirming $60,600 as a support, as a position price to revisit of 65,000 plus over time. Pretty bullish. We see giant Bitcoin logo displayed in Santa Monica Pier in Los Angeles, which is pretty bullish. Not only that, I seen a same thing, but in Las Vegas with the sphere. The most powerful part of Bitcoin bull market begins. We can see the phases are over here, the almost a shakeout before the pump up. And again, this guy's price target at 350 plus. Again, that will be some time away, but again, anything above 6 figures will be absolutely insane. And the interesting thing too, guys, is I don't think this bull run, it will be like some of the last where we'll see it shake out. I think because of how much money is in the market, how much institutions are in the market, Bitcoin's gonna have so much more stronger position, especially with potentially countries loading up Bitcoin as a reserve. It might be a new ground. We can see a big breaking Bitcoin on Las Vegas sphere. It's absolutely beautiful. Love the gold lighting up the whole city. Bitcoin to the moon. Crypto is green today. Everyone's happy. We see Elon dancing, Trump dancing. That's really cool. We see Trump wants all the Bitcoin to be mined in the US. Putin just legalized Bitcoin mining in Russia. The game theory is playing out in real time. Guys, they're fighting to mine the last few Bitcoins, and we already know how scarce Bitcoin is going to become when it's all fully mined. And now these two mega powers will be fighting head to head. And again, that just makes it more profitable for us. Even the smaller investors holding less than, a quarter of Bitcoin, half of Bitcoin, to see Bitcoin rally up, a small investment could be worth so much more. Even just on a side note, right, we can see the Trump trending. Trump is done trending, just trending. Trump's trending, and when Trump trends, crypto trends as well, which is awesome. We are here, the orange circle, okay. So this is replication 2017, 2021, and now 2024. A massive breakout is to come. It's imminent. Bitcoin is pumping hard when it broke past above 60,000. Just in Santa Monica, California is hosting a Bitcoin open source festival this October. That's pretty awesome. They're just getting everyone involved in crypto. And the more we talk about crypto, the more we learn about crypto, the more mass adoption, the bigger crypto will get. Bull market beginning, $180,000. Again, a lot of these are crazy, far-fetched, bullish predictions. But again, I love it. When you're bags are finally pumping, people are getting excited. Bitcoin up 12% 24 hours, pretty bullish. Vladimir Putin signs a law legalizing crypto mining in Russia, which is again big news, right? We can see I retweeted this twice because it's pretty bullish. Like, that's going to be insane. A whole new country mining Bitcoin with so much different assets and resources. It could be absolutely ballistic. Bitcoin parabolic is still intact. It could be another reset, 50 to 52k before it moves higher. Okay, that's good. Breaking news, whales bought the highest number of Bitcoin ever since October 2024. So whales are seeing something, guys. And again, I'm starting to get very bullish on Bitcoin again, and I know you guys are too. And it's very exciting to say the least. What's going to happen with crypto in the next coming weeks? Anybody who loads up now is going to have a serious bag and a serious position. So make sure you put your money where your mouth is, especially if you're bullish on Bitcoin. That's the video. Let me know how you guys are feeling about Bitcoin in the comment section below. Now I got to ask you a question. After the information that's provided to you in this video, do you see Bitcoin hitting $100,000 this year? I'm very bullish on that. I stand by it, but I want to know what you guys think in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? That's the video. Like always, not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence, as I'm not a financial advisor. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.